Hi, this is Marvin, and today I wanted to quickly show you how to use transitions inside of Vythm. I implemented a very basic way of transitioning between different presets, and you can find it in the settings menu, which is on the top right side. When you click on the settings icon, then you select the settings tab, and over here we have transition. When you enable it, it basically fades from one visualization to another one. Let's keep it very straightforward. You can see the difference when I'm changing from one preset to the other one. It's just changing. When I enable the transition, and I'm putting the length to 2.5 seconds, it's fading between those two presets. When I'm clicking on a new one, you can see that it's slowly fading out the old image and fading in the new visualization. So it becomes more cool if you, for example, select the pixel type, because then it fades into a pixelation effect. So if I'm just changing it once more, you can see, boom, changing it once more, and there we go. So that's just an interesting way to spice up the preset changes a little bit more. Hope you will enjoy this one and you will create some beautiful visuals with it.